Morning mga kabibip, welcome to the grind and welcome to the vlog. Alright, if you are hearing the echo, kasi nga nandito tayo sa magandang showroom. Nadadaanan ko to dati, it's a Mazda only, pero ngayon meron na siyang Triumph. A massive shoutout nga pala kay Sir Lester, nakausap natin yan coming from Mazda. Magvo-vlog and magko-content din po tayo from Mazda. Pero uunahin muna natin tong kaka-open lang nila na showroom. This is the Triumph showroom in Davao City, in Lanang. Kung probinsyano ka, katulad ko, na mamamangha ka sa mga ganitong motorsiklo and mamamangha ka rin sa Davao City kasi nga, sila yung may ganito talaga. Yung tipong mababiyahe mo lang ng 3 oras, 4 hours, 5 hours na biyahe and you will be seeing a lot of beautiful bikes already. Quite sure yet, pero sabi nila ang Rocket 3 GT has a world record of fastest 0 to 100. I'm not quite sure kung sila pa rin ang record holder. Kung titignan nyo po, ayan po, quality, classic ng quality, ganun sila kagaling eh. And the paint job, look at that. And this is perhaps one of the homologation na pinakamalaking CC na nakita ko in my entire life. Kasi nga may sinasabi sila mayroon pa daw mas malaki dito pero hindi ata homologate. And yun nga, si Triumph, siya ata yung record holder in regards of that. I'm not quite sure yet. Please comment down below. 2,458cc. So nasa ano siya, 2 point something liter. And then ang kanyang seat height 750mm, very very low. Pero ang kanyang wet weight, yun nga, mabigat siya, 322 kilograms. Pero kung ikukumpara mo siya sa mga ibang motorsiklo na mabibigat talaga, isa to sa magaan kumbaga. Disusi siya. So may mga disusi, may mga key fob talaga. So ayan po, my first tour in the Triumph Lanang. Ay, papanda rin nila si Tiger Sport 660. Yung cylinder, hindi ka magkakamali dyan. Ayan po, 3 cilindro, underbell exhaust, banana swing arm, fat and beefy tires on the rear. That's what I like, coming from Michelin. And if you rev it, sir, anong height mo? 6'1". Pwede kitang i-easy kahit reference na lang din. Boy Baldo. Big shoutout nga pala kay Sir Eric from Reno. Mataas pa lang 461 eh, pero not that bad. Not that bad at all. What are these? Ayun o, riding mode. Riding mode, tignan natin. Meron siyang rain, meron siyang road. So it's nice. Doon muna tayo sa road. Kasi hindi pa naman umuulan. Pwede mo rin ma-adjust yung ABS niya. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung map. I won't say I know it. Traction control is right there as well. Ayun po. Maganda ang kanyang digital speedometer and maganda din ang kanyang controls if you're going to take a look. Shoutout again kay Sir Ronnie. Nagkita talaga kami, so ito nakita ko na to and okay. The sound of this one very very beautiful. These are 3 cylinders, sir.
Oh yes.
Apo. Ayan, pwede ba natin subukan yung mga twin nyo po? Ayan, may tour kasi tayo dito. So ayan, ito silipin na natin kaagad. These are seat height approachable. Kung titignan nyo naman sa specification niya, very seat height approachable. 790 on the Bonneville 120. 809mm on the Speed Twin. The Scrambler is 790. Seat height approachable nga nila. Kahit nga yung bobber nila, tignan nyo, 690. And baka mapagbigyan tayo ng start ni Triumph sa bobber gold line. When you say gold line, by the way, it's hand painted.
Yes, tama.
By the professionals. Ayan. Alright, this is it has a beautiful reflection coming from the sun, my dear friends. If we're going to take a look at it, very exotic looking siya na bobber. And Scrambler, ito po yung regular Scrambler nila, and yung katabi niya in gold line. Anything painted like this is the gold line, and this is special edition, di ba? Tama?
Yes.
Apo, ayan din, oh.
Hand-painted.
And makikita mo rin yung hand painted niya dito. Bibigyan natin yan ng mga b-roll, mga kapipip, mga slow-mos na magugulat kayo. Uy, saan galing yun? Anong camera gamit mo? Mga tipong ganun yung ano. Pero ayan, Speed Twin, Scrambler, Gold Line, and the Bobber. So, and sir, patunugin naman natin kahit na isa o dalawa sa kanilang motor.
Si Bobber, mas maganda yata.
Gusto ko pareho lang silang twin pero
mas
subukan ko si Bobber kasi mukhang maganda yung exhaust niya, and then pwede din kay Scrambler mamaya. So, ayan. Thank you so much. And this one as well, my dear friends, T120, and it's on a black colorway. Classic looking bikes. And if you're looking for adventure bikes as well, meron silang Tiger 660 dito. Ayan. And Tiger 1200. Ayan. Itong Bonneville Bobber nila na Gold Line is on a million side na, and it has 80 horsepower. And yun nga, nakita natin si Doc, yung friend natin na doctor sa Kidapawan City. He owns a Traxton 1200 ba yun o 1300. Twin din siya, pero it's on 1.2 million na, and ito yung mga mamahalin talaga na motor ni Triumph. If you take a look at this one, the lighting, very beautiful. Adjustable levers. It has cruise control. Wow. And then ang kanyang hazard light, may hazard light ba? Wala ata, no?
Wala.
So turn signals na lang. Ayan. Beautiful turn signals on the front side, and a very beautiful tail light and turn signals on the rear. Alrighty, I love this bike. Ayun na, start na ni Sir Disusi siya, no?
Dito.
So dyan yung susi, old school. Sige po, sir. Game. Ayos. So ayan, if we live in a different world and I'm rich, ayan o, may taste kasi tayo talaga sa classic and gold line. Pag sinabi mong gold line kasi, ayan, very limited edition looking. And ganyan yung itsura niya. Classic looking talaga. And this is perhaps one of the most beautiful Scrambler na makikita mo sa balat ng lupa. Ayan. And I mean, look at the paint job. The paint job only, okay na eh. Panalo na eh. Shout out again to Sir Ronnie, and he'll be starting this beautiful bike for us. Ganun din, no? Ilang cc ba? This is a 900cc. Hindi siya liter bike, pero it has power, it has grunt of course naman, and the sound, the beautiful sound of twin. Sarap. Pa-experience naman. Pa-experience. Panalo siya. If you're looking for beautiful classic bikes, whether it's triple, whether it's adventure, whether it's classic retro looking like this, I think you should visit Triumph Lanang, and pa-plug yan ni Sir Ronnie. Sir Ronnie, yung natin, yung address po natin dito kay Triumph, kasi kaka-open lang ni Triumph eh.
DC pa rin, Kilometer 7, Lanang, City. Katabi lang talaga ni Mazda Davao at saka ni Ford Davao. Isang showroom lang po talaga dito.
Oo, yun. Yun yung nagustuhan ko dito. Yun nga nasabi ko kanina, I'm actually looking for the Mazda only to visit Sir Lester or either Sir Ronnie. Nakalimutan natin si Sir Ronnie, pero yun nga, 3 birds in 1 hit kasi nga na-vlog natin si Triumph, which is these bikes right here, and nakapag-vlog din tayo ng yet an exotic vehicle, si Mazda CX-5, and na-vlog din natin si Vespa. Ayan, so tatlo yan, ang tabayanan nyo, sabay-sabay kong i-upload yan. And I guess I'll be ending the vlog here. A massive shoutout to Ma'am Christina. Ayan, naisama natin siya sa ating B-roll. Gagawa natin ng seat height reference si Ma'am Christina very soon. Massive shoutout again to Sir Ronnie. He was very helpful. And shoutout na rin kay Sir kay Sir Darl. Oh, ayan, massive. May gusto kayo pa shoutout? Uyab, mga uyab. Kay Ma'am Christina, sino po? Wala pa? Ayan, future boyfriend. Ayan, comment down below mga kabibib. Exodus 14:14 to everyone. Keep on praying and trust the process. And I'll see you in the next. Peace. Sige, ma'am, game.